Good morning from Cat Tien. Alright, today we're going to go out on the bikes and do a bit of exploring because Cat Tien has a massive national park that spreads over about 700 odd square kilometers. It's about 150k outside of Saigon, and it's home to loads of different animals, flora, fauna. So yeah, we're gonna ride down to the river. We're gonna ride down to the river. Uh, Maybe see if we can take the bikes across the river on a boat. I don't know. Who knows? And yeah, go and check out. Go see if we can find some animals and check out a forest and some waterfalls. Maybe that'd be pretty cool. We've had our breakfast, and it's time to get on the road. Decided to take a bit of a detour and we've ended up right off the beaten track. I mean, uh, that's where we just came from, and you have this like crazy little graveyard here. But yeah, we're in the jungle now, baby. And you've got Darren in the distance, making the most of our little quick stop. But yeah, it's warm today. It's not so hot as it was in Saigon. It's like 34, 35 degrees there. It's only like 29 degrees here. But wow, is it humid. Very, very humid. But this place is beautiful. So after a couple of K on some crazy out of the way dirt roads, we have finally made it to Cat Tien National Park. And I mean, look at the roads. These are these are nice compared to the ones that we kind of got sidetracked onto. I'm talking like dirt roads in the middle of nowhere. There may have been a stream. I may have got a little bit wet, but it's all good fun. So we're going to crack on and see what Cat Tien National Park has got to offer. So we made it to the gates of Cat Tien National Park. Started riding up into the park, and three guys came out and started shouting after us, "Whoa, whoa, you've got to stop." We explained that we were going to the bear sanctuary, and they said, nah, you've got to go into the village, you've got to get a tour and stuff like that, but I'm not doing that. So we've ended up at this little temple that is right on the edge of the mountains. Like, look at this place. This place is stunning. Yeah, we are just surrounded by Cat Tien National Park right now. Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at these mountains. Let's just go and have a little look around this temple. Yeah, this place is beautiful. So I think we'll just have a little look around here for a bit. And maybe stop somewhere to rehydrate, because it's damn hot. There's so many beautiful plants and flowers about, and you've got this place that's just lined with these lanterns. And then you have the statue. Oh, it's a big old building. And this is where we are. I'm gonna have a chainsaw in the background now. After turning up at the temple, very hot and sweaty, we asked if they had drinks to sell, and very kindly the monk just gave us 2 ice cold cans of 7-Up, and when Darren went to pay him some cash, the guy was like, no money. I was like, oh, thank you so much, come in. Absolutely lovely people here, absolutely lovely. So with a little success getting into the national park, I think we're just gonna ride back through the village again and just take in some scenery and maybe head for the river. So hopefully we can find the river. We found the river. So we just pulled in and whoa, that's loud. We've just pulled in and yeah, this place is stunning. And there you've got the local boat that'll take you across the river there. But I think we're just going to sit here for a second. Look at that. It's just absolutely stunning. And there's Darren enjoying some cooling off time and enjoying a cheeky beer by the side of the river. Hi. But yeah, this was quite well needed, if I'm honest. Right, it's been a long, sweaty day today. I wish I could film more of the rides, if I'm honest. Like, I haven't got a mount for the camera at the moment, so I'm thinking I most definitely need some kind of mount for the camera, because you're just missing out so much on these, like, what, 30-minute rides between places. The scenery is absolutely stunning, and this place is so rural. We're just riding through tiny little villages and tiny little dirt tracks as well. Numbnuts here took us on a bit of a detour. I was like, no, this will be fine. Dirt road in the jungle. We had to navigate like a really rocky, muddy stream. May or may not have got stuck. I can neither confirm nor deny that. Like, but yeah, it was quite epic. We really did find ourselves off the beaten track at one point, but. Yeah, I think we're just gonna chill and have a beer here for a moment. I mean, why not? What a spot, right? sneaky finger.
What are you going to get my shrimp pincher?
The shrimp pincher. We'll introduce you to the shrimp pincher. But yeah, we've been here for like a couple of hours now, just relaxing by the side of the river, and we've just heard some absolutely massive thunderclaps. So I think it's going to rain. We might have to get the bikes back and get back to the homestay before it absolutely boots it down. But I'm really hoping for a thunderstorm and like hoping maybe we see some lightning as well. That would be like super cool, right? So yeah, I think we're gonna finish off here in a bit. What time is it? It's about 4 o'clock or something like that. Sun goes down about 6, so it's like totally dark by 6:30. So I think we're gonna make it back to the homestay for then, get some food, and then sit in hammocks and hope to see some lightning and hear some more thunder. Maybe we'll get a storm. That'll be brilliant. So this is where you want to go if you want to go to like Cat Tien National Park. Don't just ride up to the gates like us two idiots did. You know, there's an actual place where you can buy tickets and stuff, and it's very hustly and bustly now because a lot of people are coming back from tours because it's about 4 p.m, 4:30. So yeah, if you want to go to Cat Tien National Park, don't ride around the river to the gate like we did and get stopped. Come here, take the boat, and do it that way. You have the tourist information centre here with all the do's and don'ts. One of those is probably don't just ride into the national park, but you've got all these little shops and stuff. It's a really nice little hub, you know. So it's been quite busy all day actually. Well, all day. Say all day. We got here a few hours ago and just sat in hammocks and watched people go over on the boat. We just sat there by the side of the river, but yeah, you walk down to this little jetty and that's where your tours go. Ah, nice. It's actually starting to rain here now, so maybe we should get our stuff together and take the bikes home before maybe the heavens open and we get this thunderstorm. So yeah, we're gonna chill there for maybe another 20 minutes and make our way home. Right, we're gonna hit the road. Hopefully we make it back before the thunderstorm. We made it back before the thunderstorms. Today has been an absolutely amazing day. Like, I think like all the mishaps and the wrong roads and that made it like what it was. Like getting to the gates of the national park and the guy's going, no, you can't go there, and us having to turn around and ride, what was it, like 18k back to 2 minutes around the corner from where we're staying. You know, it was a monumental mess up, but we got to see some amazing stuff on the way. We drove through villages. We met a load of locals. All the locals are so welcoming and so nice. Like I said, we made it back to the homestay before all the. Oh, that was a bit of lightning. I think you could see in the background. There's been no thunder, but like the lightning has been kicking off all around us all evening. So, what an absolutely amazing day in Cat Tien. Just riding around on the bikes, exploring, getting lost. I may or may not have dumped the bike into a stream. You know, we survived, a couple of cuts and bruises, but it's an awesome introduction to like rural Vietnam, if I'm honest. Like I said, the day has been amazing. So I'm just having a few beers in the hammocks out the back of the homestay, and tomorrow we're gonna get on the road to Dalat, and I'm really looking forward to going to Dalat. Dalat looks absolutely beautiful. Oh, there was lightning again. Okay, so yeah. Oh, burnt on my nose a little bit. Anyway, today was amazing. I'm so happy we got lost. We did plan stuff. We tried to get there. We failed. But still, what an awesome day. So I'm going to sign off now. And I'm going to say, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the road to Dalat. Ciao for now.